Okay, so I'm Melanie Agnew, and I'm the Assistant Dean for the College of Education and Professional Studies here at the University of Wisconsin-Whitewater. We are in the process, I think, of better internationalizing our college, and I think it really begins with our dean's mission and vision for the college. And really, if you can think of a Venn diagram, it's around global learning, diversity, and technology, and the kind of infusion of those three pillars, if you will. So there are many strategies, I think, that we're using to internationalize the campus, and that means to provide international perspectives into the teaching, learning, and service research functions of the university. Of the college. So one of the biggest, I think, strategies that is most sustainable is internationalizing the curriculum, and we do have a number of student teaching abroad programs, as well as travel study programs that are in different parts of the world, so that are very healthy and strong and have been in place for many, many years. We also have some new programs developing in that same capacity. But the other part is to really integrate the international perspectives into the curriculum. So one of the things that I'm working on is developing a global education major that is would be available to any and all students. Embedded in that would also be a minor as well as a certificate program. We're really looking at an undergraduate level at this point, because I think that these perspectives are very important to the early education of our students, but it's also necessary at the graduate level too, so hopefully we will get some global focused programs at the graduate level as well, particularly when we think about who we're serving most and in the area in which we live too. So our students are often going into local school districts if they're teachers or principals, and for those who aren't in licensable programs, they're going into a lot of community-based programs or hospitals, etc., for their jobs and careers. So as our environment changes, we have to prepare them for these global experiences and for working with people from wherever they may be from. So internationalizing the curriculum is a huge part. The travel study, the student teaching abroad. I think other things that we wish to do in the future will be physically shifting our environment so that it looks more international, and that international presence is visible to students as they walk in. That might be global maps or flags or artifacts from around the world where students and faculty travel, so that is also something that we will work towards.